Yes, everyone. So basically, what's happening right now? So we're just out and we're just sharing some food to the local community.
Yo, Ringo. Are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless.
Yes, big man.
Ringo vision on a mission.
Some tissue. Good vibes.
Release stress.
Good vibes.
Him feed the homeless.
Alright, so we just
Ringo.
started the mission now. So now we're walking through Surrey Street Market and we're headed up into main Croydon, our usual spot where we're gonna find people from the community and the needy. That is it, people. Good vibes.
Welcome, bro.
Nice one. How have you been in your alright?
Yeah, I've been good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet, brother. It's nice you're doing this, man. You know, like taking the time.
Now we're gonna be trying to get some. If we could do some stuff to help more, yeah. What other stuff would you need? Other than food, like sleeping bag. I don't know.
Yeah, bro, bits
So
and pieces,
yeah, but
like, you know,
tell
like
the camera,
socks,
tell everyone on the camera so that they know what you need.
Just like normal essentials, bro, innit, really? You know, like, believe it or not, baby wipes,
Yeah.
deodorant,
Yeah.
socks,
Yeah.
stuff to keep us a bit clean, innit?
Yeah.
You know, and if you can get sleeping bags and that would really help as well.
All right.
Yeah, man.
I can see that your bedding is a bit like. You get me? You could
It's had
do
it.
Yeah, it's kind of had it. It's kind of had it.
Thank
So
you.
you could do with something. We're working on it. We're working on it, boss. And we're working on some clothes as well.
And yeah, mate, yeah. Like I say, bro,
Yeah,
man,
bro.
stuff we go through,
Life is
don't
funny,
really
innit?
know.
Yeah.
All the stuff we go through. Or
Yeah.
If you put it down and then go back to it,
Nice
you
to
nick.
see you, know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, all thrown
But
away.
what about a rucksack then?
Yeah, bro.
So imagine like a rucksack with all the little goodies inside of it.
Oh, bro, that'd be a blessing.
So that way you're not walking around with, because I noticed that you don't walk around with plastic bags.
I know, bro, it's a killer. It's a
Yeah.
killer, bro.
We're gonna try and
If
work.
you can,
Yeah, with a rucksack.
Like I say, like, if you had socks in there, deodorant in there, baby wipes,
Yeah.
all the stuff we need.
Yeah, no, put it in there.
We don't want to waste the cup.
No problem. Thank you, bro. Nice one. What is this today then?
This is some red pea soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Thank you so much.
Did you put some dumpling in that soup for him?
No, I just want that.
No.
Well, yes, man. That's lovely. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I can feel it.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, I
The
can.
big
yeah.
thing, is there a big thing in there at the bottom?
Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Ah, that's it.
Oh, bro, yeah, man. Dumpling.
Yeah.
Respect, man.
Thank you, yeah.
One love, bro, yeah?
And you, brother.
One love, bro.
Come on, bro.
Respect.
Thank you,
One love.
guys.
Let's go. Simple process, yeah? Making dumpling, people, yeah? Look at that. You understand? A finger works, you know?
Yeah.
And palm. Finger and palm.
Yeah, you gotta knead it.
That is it. Look at that, everyone. Perfect dumpling them, you know? Make a cartoon for them.
We needed those spinners.
I saw you on Instagram
Yeah.
when I was in Barbados.
I
live in Barbados. I just came over for a few days.
You live there?
Yeah, I live there. I'm just here for 3
You
weeks.
mind coming on camera?
Huh?
You mind put you on camera?
Yeah. So I saw these when I'm at home. I know I sound English, but I've been living in Barbados for 20 years.
Yeah.
And I saw these people that feed the homeless and stuff like that. And I said, wow, they really are looking after the people in England.
Yeah.
And now look, I'm in the UK and who have I seen?
That is it.
The people that help the homeless. Doing a fantastic job. Well done.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So today we're cooking a red pea soup.
Wow. I see all the stuff on the tray.
Yeah.
And the potatoes and the people coming to get food. That's really nice.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
really
you.
nice of you.
Thank you.
That's really nice of you.
Sure.
Sweet pea in the house.
All right. So what?
Yo.
You have to record me, innit? Yeah. He has to put the camera on me. First time he's holding the camera. So we have to direct him. People bear with us.
Yeah, man.
All right. So we're there. We're outside. Come in. I can show them what I want to look. Mad. The man I call chukum.
Spinners.
Nuggets.
Yeah, nugget.
That is
Baby
it.
nuggets them.
Yeah, we're gonna roll up thing. Spin.
nice and so.
Yeah, man, so quickly we just go shop. They're saying it's $15.99 a kilo, you know, for the yellow yam. Yeah, man, we're there at the market, people, yeah. Our good vibes, just come and get 2 look at ingredients. You understand? Our good vibes. A nice bright day today.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision.
Yeah, man, the market here carries some very good fresh fruits and vegetables. You can come here, you can get your okra, people. You get me, you can get your chili pepper, them people. All the things them that they're selling down here at Surrey Street Market are good vibes. This is a really good stool here. This stool here is one of the freshest at the market store, I'm not gonna lie. Are good vibes. It's a little Chinese lady and a little Chinese man that run that store there. That is it. Are good vibes.
Stormzy, a 500 pound in you know.
Outside.
Stormzy.
All right, people. So here we are going right now. Hold on the junior blacks. Hold on the junior blacks. Cause a yellow yam I cut up in a patio now, you know. They say 150 pounds for 1 box of yellow yam right now.
Wait, no, don't show them Stormzy. Stormzy there. Yes, the Stormzy there. Back to the program.
Alright, people, so them say 150 pounds for a box of yellow yam.
What?
$15.99 a kilo.
Stormzy.
So yellow yam gone up pound with just this morning.
Again.
Just this morning, yellow yam gone up pound with.
Again.
Wow.
Again.
The cost of living, that's why. You know the war that's going on, importation is more expensive now because we've got a lot of war in the world. So this is the reason why things are going up in price. You know what I mean? Facts.
As them say, war bring money.
A war bring money.
I just one of this man putting in a chukum.
Eh?
Yeah, cause remember say the pot look full up, man.
I'm never tell you.
I'm more flour today, cause
Yo.
guess what? They other day they appear hard food. They day a flour consumption today, man.
What do you mean? Food full of belly.
Full belly, brother. Never know Junior Black.
Yes, sir, for homeless people.
Yes. And for who want it.
Yes.
Not just homeless, no, all who want it.
God, look how sweet this street now with the young king, Lord God. Don't worry, mommy. Oh, you know what? Oh.
But I'm cooking it for the community.
I am homeless.
It's a community.
I am homeless.
But I'll cook it for you. You can get some. Yeah, of course.
Oh, lovely.
You're gonna stick around though? Half an hour? 20 minutes?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good.
Stick around.
Have some.
There's a bowl of soup there for you, love.
Oh. So when I come back in 20 minutes, I'm gonna
It's there. Yeah.
Of course you can.
Thank you.
Alright everybody, so look, same time we're over here so by Randall's stool as well, because Randall have a jerk chicken over here, saying the people here. I slap with some jerk chicken, don't you, big man? Yeah, man. And that is it. Yes, people see Randall, you know, remember me telling you, say, a Randall catering Jamaican food, you know, just forward with 2 shopping trolley. You see them turn over upon them back like spider, that is it. Yeah, transformation from one trolley to the next trolley. A good vibe. And so we have them park up, you know. Yes, everybody. So look, we come to a completion right now.
Okay.
So look, this is what's happening now. So we're just gonna go out with a pot of soup. You get me? And we also got some onion bhaji as well. Woo. Yeah. So we're gonna go out and just go and give back. Today is a community thing. Community, homeless, everybody.
Yes.
You understand? Whoever wants to try the food,
can
try the food. Because guess what? You complete the 10 weeks. 3 days. This is 4 days. The extra cover, closing the weekend. A good, come and go, a good vibe.
You have to roll out, you know.
Yeah, a good vibe. Thank God.
Dumpling and sponsored by my God. Everybody wants that.
Yes, people here outside. We've done the 10 weeks, you get me? Fed the homeless. So now we're on a mission, innit? Big up Ringo all the time, you get me? That is it. Can't stop Ringo. Them can't stop the vision. That's the new tune. Them can't stop the vision.
No, that's people's stuff.
Oh, the people. Yes, big man. Good vibes. Some tissue.
Yes, Papa.
Good vibes. Big man. Good vibes. All right, so we've just started the mission now. So now we're walking through Surrey Street Market and we're headed up into main Croydon, our usual spot where we're gonna find people from the community and the needy. That is it, people. Good vibes. We got Mikey.
Go and big up yourself now, people, Mikey deal with the floor them people patting us, so don't know, so we have to come and big up Mikey people. You can check out Mikey on a Surrey Street Market. Mikey have a couple hundred people I look for here now, so tell the people say, yeah man, cause you just contribute the thing to your homeless, you understand? Yeah man.
Real brother. Bless up Mikey, man. Thank you, I appreciate you always, bro. Bless up.
Yes, so we're in the market right now, so good vibes. Yeah man, so we're gonna just go and feed the people, let me know.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah man, and just go up on the high street there.
Alright.
We had to allow Josie today because he was giving us some bad energy.
Is it? Where is
it? Yeah, no, so we had to go some.
Get on to just lock up the pot, man. Lock up the pot. Alright, Ringo. A good vibes. Let's allow him today.
Yeah man, just on the go, everybody. Good vibes, come on, let's go, fam. I'm vlogging as well, everyone, as we go along.
Come on, bro, we're documenting this.
Teamwork.
Young G out here. Alright, gang shit. Woo! Them man, they can't run me over. I've got immunity.
right there, yeah? Give me some food. I'll tap that station and hashtag FY5. Onion bhaji. They've got some soup as well. Hold this. Yes, everyone. So basically, what's happening right now? So we're just out and we're just sharing some food to the local community. This is someone that we're always giving back food to. How you doing, mate? You right, yeah?
Not bad, mate.
So today we've got some red pea soup on the menu, and we've got some onion bhaji. You understand?
Yeah, mate.
Our good vibes.
Thank you very much.
How you been today?
Not bad.
Good stuff.
There's a
Behave
fight.
yourself.
There's a fight.
No, you got to behave yourself, alright?
Hey, me. Someone drunk out there getting all started, I mean, all that tasty good.
Don't give him none. He don't want none.
Hey, you right?
Yeah, mate. Let's go.
Yes, Ringo, we within.
Yeah, so what we're doing, we're stopping on the high street at the moment. This guy here does virtual Croydon. So he's just going to take my details and we're just going to do some collaboration.
I'm going to do more than that.
Yeah.
I'm going to say chasing you up.
Therefore. Good vibes.
Good vibe.
So much man now on food too.
Yeah.
Be a coat all long, you know.
See how the church look we out, Ringo. We are do the we are do God work of people. Yo, people are preach, but they don't do God work. For my man. And what do you want? Soup or water? Do you want an onion bhaji?
No, I'm good.
Do you want soup? You want soup?
No, he wanted soup. Yeah. I want
Now
give him the soup in that same cup because there's
Yeah. You're that.
No, I right think I'll come around low.
You want onion bhaji? Big man, you want onion bhaji? Ringo, you got your team working right now. Help me, mate.
Big man there.
Yeah?
Good vibes, yeah?
Yo, let's go. One love, yeah?
So what's happening right now? So we're just handing out some soup. This is one of our regulars here that we're giving soup to. He came to the barbecue the other day with his mate. Yeah man, our good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. That is it. So you showing on the pot one quickly. That is it. So the soup's going down. Yeah. When we reach up there, so we warm it. Yeah, we warm it up. A good vibe. We're just here. We're on the high street, everybody. Yeah man. One love, everybody. Yeah, a good vibe. Let's go. Kitchen's on the go again. All right. So as we're on the high street right now, we're just stopping as we go along, and we're just giving soup back to the homeless. Do you mind me asking you a few questions, love? If other than giving you food, yeah, what else could we do to help you? Like, is there clothes? Like,
clothes would be okay. Yeah.
what about for the winter time and stuff like that?
Or even wash stuff and things.
Things to wash with, yeah? What about sleeping bag?
Sleeping bags.
Toiletries?
Hats and gloves.
Hats and gloves, yeah? For the winter, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So you hear everyone yourself, yeah? So that is it. Thank you very much, yeah? All right then, thank you.
Thank you. I really appreciate what you're
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Would you like one as well, boss man?
What soup?
It's vegetable.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Red meat soup.
Vegetable.
You want onion bhaji?
Yeah.
yeah.
Nice, really sweet.
I know.
All right, yeah, man. As you can see, that the pot is
Nearly.
it's shriveling down. It's shriveled down enough, then.
Shiver down in our Ringo.
Ben, give me 2 bars on camera, please, man.
All these bright lights, my city, but this late night saying pretty. Step outside, see nitties on the front line, move witty. Outside's cold and snippy. Still got a grind, get busy. Like a hippie, sip white rum now, I'm tipsy, I'm building a legacy, trying to make history. All I see is jealousy, man, move way too snitchy.
Hey.
Am I turn yet?
Our turn. Paul, that's the Belgian Rasta Paul there with you as well, you know. That is it. How you been?
Yeah, I've been alright.
Yeah? I see you still reading.
Yeah, what am I on about? I'm on Revelations. I've not read the whole book, I've read a lot of it. I like the letters from Paul.
Yeah.
Like the bit of Psalms, Proverbs. But yeah, I'm on Revelations at the moment.
Good stuff.
Samuel, I read Samuel and the Kings, because Samuel and Kings go together.
Yeah.
Do you know David and Goliath?
Yeah, I do.
Basically, King Solomon was David's son.
Yes.
So, you know the mind, Solomon minds, King Solomon and that, and so yeah.
So if we could offer a bit more than just food, would a new sleeping bag help?
I'm alright for a sleeping bag, like pants and socks, like wet wipes and stuff like that. Yeah. Do you know what? I remember this question the other day, like the lady ones out here, they might need lady things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Jump pads and pad.
Huh?
You need pads and stuff like that.
Yeah, like
yes, the ladies.
The monthly thing.
The monthly tampon, they call it.
The tampon.
Yeah, not afraid to say it.
Yeah,
say it.
And the wings and all that.
Okay.
But
we'll get on top of that.
But that's the point. That's the point to make that.
We're going to get on top of that.
Yeah. But you here? So yeah, we're cool, man.
Alright, thank you, yeah?
Yeah, no, you're welcome. No,
Right.
thank you.
No, you're welcome.
God bless you guys.
Bless,
yeah?
boss.
Thank you.
That is it. So we're on the go again. Yeah, man, just traveling the town people, yeah. Have good vibes. On the go.
So much, man.
Food. Energy drink. Is that yours?
Have it. You can have it. You can have it. It's mine.
Ah, you're the boy. Alright, thank you so much. Can I give my...
Can you stand back from the pot? Yeah. Pick up yourself, man.
Nah, he's got
honestly, got that. Someone else can have that.
No food?
Yeah,
that's in case, bro. That's in case.
No, big man, listen, you've given me that. That's another cup for someone else, you know. That's why I look at it.
Yeah, nice one, guys, brother. Thank you, yeah.
No, you're welcome, bro.
Thanks, brother. Nice one. How have you been anyway, alright?
Yeah, I've been good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet, brother. It's nice for doing this, man. You know, like taking the time.
Now we're gonna be trying to get some. If we could do some stuff to help more, yeah. What other stuff would you need? Other than food, like sleeping bag, I don't know.
Yeah, bro, bits
So
and pieces,
yeah, but
innit? You know,
tell
like
the camera, tell everyone on the camera so that they know what you need.
just like normal essentials, bro, innit, really? You know, like, believe it or not, baby wipes,
Yeah.
deodorant,
Yeah.
socks,
Yeah.
stuff to keep us a bit clean, innit?
Yeah.
You know, and if you can get sleeping bags and that would really help as well.
All right.
Yeah, man.
I can see that your bedding is a bit like, you get me? You could do
had
it.
it.
Yeah, it's kind of had it. It's kind of had it.
Thank you.
So you could do with something. We're working on it. We're working on it, boss. And we're working on some clothes as well.
And yeah, mate, yeah. Like I say, brother,
Yeah,
stuff we go
life
through,
is funny, innit?
Yeah.
all the stuff we go through, or
Yeah.
if you put it down and then go back to it,
Nice
it's
to
been
see you, know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, or thrown
But
away.
what about a rucksack then?
Yeah, bro.
So imagine like a rucksack with all the little goodies inside of it.
Oh, bro, that'd be a blessing.
So that way you're not walking around with, because I noticed that you don't walk around with plastic bags.
I know, bro, it's a killer. It's a
Yeah.
killer, bro.
We're gonna try with
If you can, yeah.
yeah, with a rucksack.
Like I say, like if you had socks in there, deodorant in there, baby wipes,
Yeah.
yeah, the stuff we need.
Yeah, no, just put it in there. Put it in there. No problem. Yeah.
Nice one. What is this today then?
This is some red pea soup.
Yeah.
Roll up.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll eat it now. It's lovely. Thank you so much.
Did you put some dumpling in that soup for him?
No, I just want that.
Well, yes, man. That's lovely. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I can feel it.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can.
Big thing, is there a big thing in there at the bottom?
Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Ah, that's it.
Bro, yeah, man, dumpling.
Yeah.
Respect, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
One love, bro. Yeah.
I knew, brother.
One love, bro.
Come on, bro.
Respect. One love. Let's go.
Nice view.
Up. Yeah.
We're not filming that public space. You're in a public space. Where's the space?
We got some soup, brother.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. You take a seat in it. Yeah, just take a little seat and
On the level on the slope.
yeah, bring it on the level.
On the level. But warm up.
Yeah.
Heat it up again.
Yeah.
We top it back.
Yeah, man, put it back on the fire, yeah.
Oil light. It's light it up.
Yeah, Mark, we light up. That's it. Give it about a minute, let it warm up, yeah? Alright, nice one.
That's got to keep it wide on. And you got to keep it crease-free.
Alright, so what's happening right now? So we're just handing out some soup, the last part of the soup.
Why'd you do
it? Hey, take time, let me just, take time please. Come on, man. Yeah, the background noise. Yeah, bro.
Joey, big up yourself, you know. Thank you. Let's get 1,000 likes, let's go. Sorry to everyone earlier, I can't lie to start off. Sections are a bit funny. Certain parts are very... Thank you.
Thank you very much. You guys fishing the weekend? Huh?
Let's make it live on the Surrey Street Market. Now we're at Queen's Park. We're just having out the food to some different. This guy here is a local.
You know how one boss it?
Understand?
Yo.
A good vibe.
You want him?
It's fine, it's good.
Look at that pot.
Mike, big up yourself.
Enough dumpling left, you know. 100 dumpling we're making.
Man's coming for his suit, fam. What?
He doesn't want the camera.
One soap.
Yeah.
Tell him I'll come and dish him.
Yes, Ben, big up yourself. We're outside right now. Someone just called out from a distance. So we have to make sure
2 minutes.
He's a regular as well. Full him up with some dumpling.
Dumpling, huh?
Yeah, man, dumpling him up, man. I give him a spoon. full up in belly, man. Yeah. Good vibes. That is it. Yes, everybody big up yourself. This is it. Yeah.
Is that Ringo? Was that Who's that? Yeah, soup. Nah, come on.
Because he knows when the food, he knows when 9 o'clock comes, when the food truck comes here, they're getting sandwiches.
That's right.
He doesn't want no sandwiches.
He wants some ital. Something that's gonna fill his belly.
This to council, man. I share this to all council, man. I share this to all council. Oh, joke. Where people in taxpayers money are. Yeah, what?
He said the soup mad. 100.
We're not talking to you, give you a company there now. Yeah, you know what I mean? So we're talking about give you a company. That's when they say the soup mad.
Security.
It's just right.
That's right. Boss said that's right.
Big up security, man. My family, them. Thank you, my brothers, yeah? One love, yeah?
To me before. Yes, yeah. You want more? Yeah, I'll have some water, G. You know me.
You want more soup?
I'll have a. Have you got any more corns?
No, soup and dumpling.
No, I'm safe, bro. Honestly, thank you.
Can
I get some water?
Yeah, of course you can get some.
Come on, G.
There you go.
Thank you, G. Thank you, boy.
Soon, yeah, we're gonna have some clothes as well, no?
Yeah, I've got fuck all. Just come out of jail.
In a couple of weeks, we're gonna have some clothes because we've been saying to the people that were on our social media to donate some clothes and stuff like that. Fat dumpling, yeah man, they ain't dumpling man, we need substance. You got up? You're welcome. Have good vibes.
Yeah, donate nothing, look at it.
Look at that big store like Primark. They ain't doing their part. We have to go in there and spend our money to donate to the homeless. You get me?
I think we get the pledge doesn't go by Monday.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'm okay at the moment.
Yeah, but you need a sleeping bag or
Yeah, that's
something.
what I need,
All right then. But I hope you enjoy the soup and that can hold you up until in the morning.
Okay.
True, yeah? True. All right, bless you.
Yeah?
All right, you're welcome. All right. No, you know they're on the camera, there.
Yeah, them man, they don't argue.
No, me don't argue with them.
Yeah, them man, they don't, cause them don't know if they talk to people, you know.
Well, look, the Bible says them have to cry out, spare not, you know, lift up thy voice like a trumpet.
That's it.
And show thy people their transgression and the house of Jacob their sins. You're an Israelite, but whether you know, you don't know, you know. Thank you, sir.
The lady just donated £2. I've told everybody what's going on now.
Absolutely.
No, Heidi.
When you drink this, it's,
yeah, because it's £2 here, yeah. Can buy a next pack of fork or next pack of
some
spoon.
cups. We can get cups as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, our good vibes.
A good vibe.
You say I'll pour up another cup. Give it to Mama.
Wait now.
Yeah, man. Soup.
Yeah, because look, we'll come out
the
with
pot
100
done
cups.
now, you know.
We'll come out with 100 cup, 25, 25, 25, 25, and we done well today. We done very well today. We're 1, 2, 5, 6 cups we have left, and how much soup we have left? Boy, yo,
That's a tilt.
That's alright, innit?
tilt now. I saw me love when you reach then stage, yes, sir. You know, say sitting at work.
A good vibes.
Food that one broad leaf there.
Don't worry, you're not up on the camera.
Alright.
You're so fit, yeah.
No, but I didn't make that broad one there. And you didn't make that can't deal, you know.
Yes, everybody, thank you very much. So look, today's been absolutely amazing. Wow.
What's going on in there now?
Hey,
Mission completed.
Ben, mission complete. Now we've got one tractor wheel.
Tractor wheel and two spinner.
Yeah, one last serve left in our pot, man. It's been an absolutely good day today.
That's it.
Can't complain. Yeah, man, like.
That is it.
That
is it. The food is done.
That is it, people. Yeah, we've had a good day today. Yeah, this is actually been a good day. That is it. Yeah, man.
That is it. Right there.
That is it.
We've
Good
got
vibes.
one more serve. That is it.
Rasta. Hey, we love that rap. Selassie. Rastafari.
You have to have fun with the kitchen as well.
No, we've had bare fun. We've had bare fun. That's one thing Ringo will say. We've all had fun, fam.
No, everybody make the most nice. Hear it then. Come here, no one.
Say, empty barrel make the most nice.
Hear it then. Hear it then. Here we go. Empty barrel make the most nice.
Yeah, empty barrel make the most nice.
Yeah.
A good vibes.
Yeah, you hear chocolate, man. Kang.
Foodie that's been holding us down throughout the journey.
Please go over into the channel, you're on the channel, but go over into the video that's coming out tomorrow. It's 39 people there. So the last couple of soup are good vibes.
Stubborn, innit?
Very stubborn. Female.
Okay, and open.
This is what everyone loves, man. This is it.
Huh?
Oh, this is wonderful.
Yeah.
Now, look, now you're drawing some attention now.
Yeah, man.
Straight. Oh my God.
Look, we would say this is the last soup, you know, and we're saying
Really?
and we said we're gonna walk and find that person.
Find that right person.
That right person.
I'm that right person. I am that one. I am the one.
You're the one.
I'm the one.
Tell them.
Come on. That's it.
Good vibes.
I'm coming
I
with
love that spirit.
the blood of Jesus.
Alright.
Big up yourself,
I'm
everybody.
covered. I
Yeah,
am covered.
one
This
love.
is it.
Look, that's what I'm
God
saying.
sent you my way. This is it.
Yeah, man. The last couple of soup
The spirit
is actually
of
getting
God
handed out.
sent you my way.
No.
Come on, bless
Children. Yes, that's it.
Please, God's children. God's children.
Bro, thank you very much.
I'm on live, I'll call you back.
Straight. Can I have a fork? Oh, this is it.
Thank you very much.
No problem. It's wonderful.
All right, everybody. Yeah, that is it.
All right,
Don't like me. So we rule. Don't turn that. We rule. Them sister send me. Them send me. Send
Tell them again, where you from? YouTube what?
Yeah!
YouTube, Tata, Instagram, everything.
Yeah!
Tata. Hey.
Yeah! Ready?
Hey.
Who send on you? Send on me? Alright. I boss, if I tell you something about me. Some boy, they must see me, they don't know about me. Yeah, go on like Ricky, they chat about me. Where you come from here, see me, you chat about me. We come from Jamaica, where you know about me. I be a gunshot near boss, we chat about me. I like to let me see me, they don't know about me. Don't bother me. Boy, they must see me, they must chat and they must bother me. Come from Jamaica, they must talk and they must bother me. One like them attack, them attack and them bother me. Where you come from and you don't know about me. I go on like that and you chat about me. You know the real get a story. Pussy, you a see me, you ain't talk about me. Don't bother me.
That's it. Done. We're done.